Maintaining drains is a hassle. It's about keeping things clean and functional. Bad grease smells rising from the sink are often the first sign. Down below, it's a buildup clogging the pipes. That is fats, oils, and grease sticking to the inside of your pipes. Hot water or other products don't reach deep enough, where most buildup stays untouched. That's where TurboFoam comes in, the foam drain maintainer that expands to clean even the toughest areas. Here's how it works. First, attach the tube to the bottle of TurboFoam. Then, run the tube down your drain and through the P-trap. Spray until the foam is visible. The foam expands, completely covering the inside of the pipe. It can climb up vertical sections that liquid products can't reach. Let the foam sit for at least 40 minutes to break down the buildup and repeat the process if needed. It destroys the grease, oils, and food deposits, clinging to the walls of the pipes completely and clearing the way for a smooth, clean drain. And the best part, TurboFoam works with all pipe types: steel, PVC, ABS, and more. No more clogs, no more odors, just a smooth, efficient drain in a fresh-smelling environment. Use it anywhere grease builds up, from floor drains to commercial sinks, kitchens, or mobile setups. TurboFoam works where liquid cleaners can't, vertically, deeply, and safely. Stop struggling with messy drain maintenance. Foam it clean with TurboFoam, Foaming Drain Maintainer.